Okay, so now we're going to do what is called PNF stretching of the hamstring. PNF stands for Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation, and it is a method where you pre-fatigue a muscle before you stretch it. In this case, we're going to focus on the hamstring, so we're going to do a PNF stretching on the hamstring. In this case, we are going to use a strap, but at home you can use a belt, you can use a blanket, a large towel, to the same effect. Okay, so let's say we want to stretch the left hamstring in a PNF style. How we would go: lay down on your back, take the strap or the belt, loop it around the foot, lie down. Then you keep the knee straight, pull the strap back. Then you feel a stretch here. Hold this for about 20 to 30 seconds. And when that time has elapsed, so what you're going to do now, in order to fatigue or pre-fatigue the hamstring muscle, while holding the strap here, you're going to press your leg down like this for 10 seconds. You're not actually moving, it's an isometric movement. So you're here and now I'm pressing the leg down as if I'm trying to get the heel into the floor. It's a contraction. I'm trying. When 10 seconds have elapsed, you relax the hamstring and you pull a bit further than you will. Hold for around 20 to 30 seconds. And when that time has elapsed, again, you do as if you want to press the leg down like that, 10 seconds. And you resist with the hand. There's no actual movement. It's an isometric contraction. When your 10 seconds have elapsed, you pull a bit further, relax the hamstring, you pull a bit further. Do this for 3 cycles, and then when you're done, bend the leg, and you ease out of it. So it is an accelerated way in which you could stretch a muscle.